Okay, good morning. It's Tony working out of RJH, DVSA, CBT, DAS, National Advanced Examiner. Today we've got Phil and we've got John down there. So Phil's going to show you how to pass the slow speed at Mod 1 test standard. So in your own time, Phil, I'd like you to manual handle the bike, please. No pressure whatsoever. So he lifts the bike up there. Okay, gets the side stand up. Then he checks there's no traffic coming. Yeah, so he does his checks. Does one beautiful sweep with the bike into the set of 4 green cones over there. Basically like putting a bike in a car parking space or into your garage at home. Okay, so then hopefully it puts onto the centre stand. And I grab the front brake as I turn the bars. Okay. So, in your own time, Phil, I'd like you to perform the slalom. So he gets on the bike holding the front brake, side stand up, turns on his ignition, starts the bike, his foot's on the back brake, so he now puts the front brake on because he puts his right leg down to apply the first gear. The foot goes then back on the back brake and he's ready to go, so in your own time. So he does a left shoulder check, sweeps the mirrors, right shoulder check, positive throttle to set off. And aims towards this first yellow, head up, in a cone ahead. So that's lovely speed, he's not going too fast, yeah, he's got lovely control of the motorcycle. That's it, and then he'll start into the slalom. The key here is to now go out wide. You go tight to the cone, you make it really hard for yourself. With nice relaxed arms, lovely head movement. He's got a nice speed, he's not going too fast, yeah. He's doing really well there. Just go around again and I will call you out with a figure of 8, which the examiner would do. Okay, so I'm happy with that, Phil. So what I'd like to do is now come out the figure of 8 and just ride down. So just because of space, we're having to mock up the test arena, if you like. So he's going to ride round and then he's going to come to a stop here. And hopefully he puts the bike into neutral. Every exercise, when you stop, put the bike into neutral, and then do that whole process of in first gear, shoulders, mirror checks. Yeah. Okay, so in your own time, I'd like to ride at slow speed down to the set of 4 blue cones down there, please, Phil. So there we go. Finds first gear, foot on the back brake. He's off the front brake now. Positive throttle. He's done his checks. Away he goes. It's a slow speed. Nice clutch control, throttle control, bit back brake. Yes, slow speed. Lovely, just pottering down, and then he's going to stop at the 4 blue cones, ready for the U-turn. So he puts the bike back into neutral. The examiner will go over to you and say, okay, in your own time, I'd like to perform the U-turn. So he goes into first gear. The left shoulder check, left mirror, right shoulder. Positive throttle, sets off. Hopefully he'll do a right shoulder check. So there's his right shoulder check. He turns and looks down the road. Slips the clutch to keep the drive. And comes to a nice controlled stop. Bike goes back into neutral. And if I was the examiner, I know you got your high speed left, I'd be coming over shaking your hand and saying, that's a jolly good show, Phil. Yeah, that's 0 fault, well done.